So we are asked to divide this polynomial over here and with this term. And the main reason why we divide polynomials is to see if this 4x plus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. So the method we're going to be using to divide this polynomial is long division, as you can see over here. Now this will be different from the long division you probably learned in 5th grade. It's going to be like a bit more trickier. So what I'm going to do to start off the problem, I'm going to look at this 4x and this 12x cubed. And I want to know what 4x times what will get me 12x cubed. So I know that 3 will get me 12, and then x squared will get me x to the cubed. So we know that 4x times 3x squared will get me 12x to the cubed. So to get rid of this, we need to, then remember, because we're going to be crafting a binomial, we need to put in parentheses, and we're going to put the negative over here, 12x to the cubed. And then we multiply this plus 3 with this 3x squared, and then we end up getting plus 9. So we see this negative, when we distribute the negative, we get negative 12x to the cube. That will cancel out. And then we end up getting minus 20x squared. And then we bring down this 9x, we get plus 9x. And then we do the process all over again. So negative 20x squared, I know that negative 5 will get me the negative 20, and then the x will get me the x squared. So again, we're going to be doing the same thing. We're going to be putting it in parentheses and putting the x negative 20x squared over here. And then we get the negative 15x over there. And we notice that this will cancel out, and then we'll have a plus 24x. And then we do plus 24x, and then we drag down the 18. So we do the process one more time. And we don't need to do, well, 4x times 6 equals 24. Plus 18, we know that 3 times 6 is 18. When we distribute the negative, both of these cancel out, which means that we have a remainder of 0. So this polynomial divided by 4x plus 3 will end up getting us 3x squared minus 5x plus 6. And notice that we do not have a remainder. Our remainder is 0. So that tells us that this term over here, 4x plus 3, is in fact a factor of 12x cubed minus 11x squared plus 9x plus 18. So that is how you divide polynomials